Suspected Pakistan nationals who gang raped and sodomized a 23-year-old girl have raised a lot of debate, with women legislators arguing court to sentence them to death, while other civil society organizations condemn the act as inhuman. The acts of Muhammad Sabaz, Bakiz Kuwaz and 3 others who are still at large have put the Pakistani consul to Uganda, Boni Katumba, in a fix, with political commentators now worried for the diplomatic relations between Uganda and Pakistan. In a diplomatic tone, Pakistan consul to Uganda, Boni Katumba, apologized to Ugandans for the pain that the suspects inflicted on Zainab Mbabazi.
On behalf of the government, on behalf, I want to apologize officially for that, and you can put the record. I wish the young lady Mbabazi quick recovery. My consulate has been at hand with the police, who have been provided the photographs of the people who are involved, because I have them on record. They are in our records, and I'm sure the government will take care of that.
Katatumba's apology on behalf of the Pakistani government comes just a day after 2 of the suspects, Muhammad Shabaz and Bakiz Kuwaz, were remanded to Rizia prison. However, contradicting information emerged indicating that they too are Indians according to their passports. Katatumba, however, remained tight-lipped about the 3 remaining suspects, Sadiq, Zahir and Moses, all employees of Uwasaka Depot in Nakawa, who were still on the run. The victim, who can hardly walk on her own, alleges that 5 men, all employees of Uwasa Motors Limited, gang raped her. Police has since threatened to close down Uwasaka Depot as it hunts for the other suspects believed to have sneaked out of the country. Stella Nabakoza, WBS TV.